When it comes to upgrading your home, one of the most impactful changes you can make is replacing old, inefficient doors with energy-efficient doors. For homeowners in Washington, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically between the hot summer and cold winter months, choosing the right door can make a significant difference in your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and overall cost savings. Energy-efficient residential door replacement offers a range of benefits that can enhance your home's performance and aesthetics. In this article, we'll explore the top reasons why upgrading your doors to energy-efficient models is a smart investment for Washington homeowners. Improved insulation and temperature control. One of the biggest benefits of energy-efficient doors is the improvement in insulation. Older doors, especially those made from thin or outdated materials, can let in drafts, cold air, and moisture, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. In Washington, where weather conditions vary from freezing winters to sweltering summers, maintaining a stable indoor temperature is essential. Insulated core. Modern energy-efficient doors are typically built with an insulated core, made from materials like foam or fiberglass, which helps maintain a consistent temperature inside your home. These doors prevent heat loss during the colder months and block heat from entering during the warmer months, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Better temperature regulation. With a properly installed energy-efficient door, you can enjoy better temperature regulation year-round, leading to a more comfortable living environment regardless of the season. By upgrading to an energy-efficient door, you ensure that your home stays at the right temperature without having to rely heavily on heating and cooling systems. Lower energy bills. With energy costs on the rise, homeowners are always looking for ways to reduce their monthly utility bills. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by replacing old, inefficient doors with energy-efficient models. Poorly insulated doors allow warm or cool air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain your home's temperature. Reduced energy loss. Energy-efficient doors are designed to prevent air leaks, keeping conditioned air inside and minimizing the amount of energy your home loses. This means your heating and cooling systems won't have to work as hard, leading to lower energy bills each month. Cost savings. By investing in an energy-efficient door replacement, you can see a noticeable reduction in your utility costs over time. This makes the initial investment in a new door well worth it in terms of long-term savings. Energy-efficient doors are one of the easiest upgrades you can make to reduce your energy consumption and cut down on monthly expenses. Enhanced comfort and draft prevention. Drafts and uncomfortable temperature fluctuations can make certain areas of your home difficult to enjoy. A poorly sealed door allows cold air in during the winter, creating cold spots in your home, and hot air during the summer, making it hard to stay cool. Energy-efficient doors provide a solution by offering superior seals and insulated cores that help prevent drafts from entering. Draft-free living. With new, high-quality energy-efficient doors, you can eliminate the discomfort caused by drafts. This means that rooms near your doorways will remain comfortable, reducing the need for extra layers of clothing in the winter or excessive cooling in the summer. Consistent temperature. These doors help maintain a consistent indoor temperature throughout your home, making it more pleasant to live in, especially during extreme weather conditions in Washington. Replacing your old doors with energy-efficient models ensures that your home stays comfortable, no matter the time of year. Environmental benefit. In today's world, many homeowners are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Energy-efficient doors play a crucial role in this effort by helping reduce your home's overall energy consumption. Lower carbon emissions. By reducing the energy required to heat or cool your home, energy-efficient doors help lower your household's carbon emissions. This contributes to a cleaner environment and helps combat climate change by conserving energy. Sustainable materials. Many energy-efficient doors are made from environmentally friendly materials, such as recycled or sustainable resources. Choosing a door made from such materials can further minimize your home's environmental impact. Replacing your doors with energy-efficient models isn't just good for your budget, it's also a step toward living more sustainably and reducing your environmental footprint. Improved home security is always a top concern for homeowners, and energy-efficient doors often come with added benefits when it comes to home security. Today's energy-efficient doors are made from stronger materials and feature advanced locking systems that offer greater protection against break-ins. Stronger materials. Modern energy-efficient doors are typically made from durable materials such as fiberglass, steel, or composite materials. These materials are more resistant to forced entry, providing an additional layer of security compared to older wooden doors that may be easier to kick in. Advanced locking systems. Many energy-efficient doors come equipped with high-quality multi-point locking systems that secure the door at multiple points along the frame. This makes it more difficult for intruders to break through, enhancing the overall security of your home. Replacing your old door with a high-quality energy-efficient door improves both your home's energy performance and its safety. Increased home value. Home improvements that enhance both functionality and aesthetics can significantly increase the value of your property, and door replacement is no exception. Energy-efficient doors are an attractive feature for potential buyers, especially in today's market, where energy conservation is a top priority. Attractive to buyers. Homes with energy-efficient features, such as well-insulated doors, are appealing to buyers who are looking for lower utility bills and long-term savings. This can increase your home's market value and help it stand out in a competitive real estate market. Return on investment. Replacing old doors with energy-efficient models provides a high return on investment, ROI, in terms of both energy savings and increased property value. Conclusion. Energy-efficient residential door replacement in Washington offers a wide range of benefits, from improved insulation and lower energy bills to enhanced comfort, environmental benefits, and increased security. Upgrading your home's doors not only makes your living space more enjoyable and energy efficient but also increases its value and appeal to potential buyers. If you're looking for a cost-effective and impactful home improvement, energy-efficient door replacement is a smart investment that pays off both now and in the long run.